This is the Yiannimize anthem. No lie, you didn't know that we do this. Hit us up, old or new, it's small like a mouse or big like a cruise ship. This is the Yiannimize anthem. No lie, you didn't know that we do this. Hit us up, old or new, it's small like a mouse or big like a cruise ship.
You're here for TWAY 100 today, okay? However, who knows about the Yiannimize anthem? We're going to give you an exclusive. Run the track! When I'm watching that, goosebumps, it's incredible. We're gonna do a little something now to get you in the video.
2 words, that's all you have to remember. Rap it, rap it. Hopefully you get it right.
Rap it, rap it. Whip comes in, rap it. Yiannimize anthem, rap it. Cars and bars, but you know we rap it. Rap it, rap it. Whip comes in, rap it. Yiannimize anthem, rap it. Cars and bars, but you know we rap it.
Hi guys, it's Yanni from Yiannimize and welcome back to This Week at Yiannimize, episode
100!
But they don't know, no, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll.
And yes, I've got a few people with me. We put something on social media. We invited a few select people to come down to enjoy the final episode of This Week at Yiannimize. So we're going to walk around, we're going to see the cars, and I'm going to speak to a few of the people that are here. Right, first of all, we'll say hello to Summer. Hey Summer.
Hi.
Are you a fan?
Yeah.
What have you seen that you like?
The way that you do all different cars, I just think it's so cool to watch.
Okay, what's your favourite colour?
Purple.
I would have said purple because I'm looking at the purple here and I can see the purple looks good. Right, I'm going to walk around, okay? You ready? Okay, let's go. Right, first car you see, Satin Stealth Taycan Turbo S. Back here, Porsche GT3 RS that belongs to Bav, BHP. We've got the wife's Defender 110 V8 Satin Black Urban Daddy. Tariq, right, Tariq, talk to me. What's better, the Defender V8 or the SVR?
Me personally, I like this one. It has to have the urban kit on it though.
Exactly, it has to have the standard, they're boring, aren't they?
Yeah.
Okay, everyone agree or we don't agree? SVR?
SVR.
Why SVR?
I've never been a fan of Defenders. Don't get me wrong, these are nice, but SVR all day, every day. All day, every day.
Buzz, say hello. We say hello, say hello, say hello. Are we saying hi or no? That car. Okay, Baba's going to go continue round, okay? All right, you go to Mama. Andrew's M3 competition is here. He is in Cyprus, so that is why he's not here today. What do you think of the plate? Any Greek people here? Terry's Greek, yeah? What does the number plate say?
Andrea.
Andrea. You see with the voice as well, Andrea. You a proper fan?
I'm going to put him on the spot here.
Who's Nico? Who's Mark?
Nico, Mark.
Who's that?
Elliot.
Who's that? Oh! So Theo is Andrew's son who runs Carspot, who owns Carspot at the front. You're a proper fan, aren't you?
Yeah.
What's your favourite car?
Bugatti Chiron.
Bugatti Chiron. Has your dad got a lot of money?
I don't know.
He's going to need to for that car. Who's that?
Marie.
Maria. Hi Maria. How are you? Okay, stop talking. Too many words. Right, as we head to the back, you can walk round. You can just walk around as we walk round. We have Ray's bike. The sun's on it. Come forward, mate. Come forward. What's your name?
Lewis.
Lewis, talk to me about this bike. The bike's great. What do you think about the two colours?
I like both the colours individually, but I don't know if they
don't
go
work together, do they?
No.
What colour should the bike be? The turquoise or the blue?
The turquoise, definitely.
Who knows my staff's cars? Okay, come on in, you. This one was to be in everything. You come for. I'm not talking to you because you said the SVR's better than the Defender.
Ahmed.
Ahmed, right, Ahmed, you know my staff's cars, yeah?
Yeah.
Whose car's that?
Naomi's.
Okay, whose car's that?
Elliot.
Whose car's that?
I haven't actually seen that one.
Oh, you're out. Michael, whose car's that?
Size.
Okay, cool.
Dion's, Rio's, Kian's.
Okay, you know what? You a proper fan? Whose car's that? The black Tesla.
Oh, it's been here for weeks waiting for parts.
Okay, whose car is it? Hold on, whose car is it?
Calux's.
Yes! Round of applause, please. Round of applause. Well done. Spud me. Right, as we walk into this unit here, there's a lot of people in here. Right, so what I'm seeing over here, we've got like a rap station. Okay, so this is Shannon and Zach. Shannon and Zach. Shannon gave it the big talk earlier on saying, yeah, I can rap. How's your rapping? Oh, you got a glove as well. All right, Michael. Right, so how's your rapping going?
Good, I think. What do you
Let's
think?
be honest, you're rapping like a plate.
Yeah, well, I did get the choice, so
Anyone
obviously
could have
went for
rapped
the
that.
easier one, but...
I think it's flat. You stop rubbing it.
Yeah, okay.
It's not a genie.
Okay.
Nothing's going to pop out. Hey, Nicholas is on it as well. Nicholas has gone for the wing mirror. Why don't you choose something harder?
Harder?
I'm taking the in, otherwise that's very difficult.
I couldn't pick anything easier because they took it.
Nicholas said he could do it in 10 minutes.
Maybe not.
Yeah, maybe not. So as we walk around, we've got an RS6 here, wrapped in satin black with the gloss black bonnet.
Hey on.
Okay, so that's an RS6.
Yeah.
We've done it in gloss black. What's the other car we've done for the customer?
Cullinan.
Oh, what colour was it?
Satin black.
And what colour was the bonnet?
Gloss black.
He's good. Proper fan. T-Way 100, balloons. We got the Chiron, the Bugatti Chiron. Who does this belong to? Who knows? Okay, they'll shout it out. Okay, Range Rover Sport is in. This is going satin black, lower half, outside only. We've also got a load of merchandise here that we're going to give away to you guys. So obviously I'm paying attention who knows what they're talking about. I'm going to put someone on the spot now, yeah? This person with you, this is your mum. Yeah. You've got no idea who I am, have you?
I know who you are.
What's my name?
Yanni.
Oh, okay, round of applause. Did he drag you here today?
Oh, I wanted to come and see because he's a keen Yanni fan.
Okay, cool. Thank you for coming, though. Thank you for bringing him down. Where did you travel down from today?
Solihull.
Oh, wow, you lot travelled far. Did anyone travel further than Solihull to come here today?
2 hour drive, I don't know where Solihull is.
Where did you drive down from? Hastings. Right, let's head over to the other side. Lamborghini Aventador Ultima. Who knows what car this is? Okay, come forward. What's your name?
I'm Panchal.
Okay, right. Do you know what Aventador this is?
No.
It's an Ultima. Whose car's that? Babs. Oh, look at this. Is that your dad?
Yeah.
Really? What does dad drive?
X5.
Oh, dad. He's got a voice. Sorry, you know when you got those dads that just really like, I'll speak for my son. Oh. Yeah. What's your dad got?
X5.
He spoke again. Sorry. He spoke again. Let's try that for a third time. What car's your dad got?
BMW X5.
Right, as we head in, we've got the Porsche Cayenne here. It's an insurance job. We've now fully stripped this car. We still need to get the glue remover off it, and then it needs to be wrapped. It is shuts and returns. This is a big job. As we head over to the other side, we've got the Discovery in like a primer grey. This car, I think, is fully wrapped now, but this car was white. If we head to the other side, Elle, meet me over there. As you can see, door shuts, one piece. Nico Mark speciality. Oh yeah, we need to do a cold start, don't we? Okay, oh, we need to do comment section as well. Oh, nice. Gus, let's run that again. What was your idea, Gus?
So we do a live comment section where we ask people here to ask us questions.
Okay, we're going to do that. Right, let's do the cold start. Right, we're going to do the cold start. What car should we do with the cold start? Steph's car. Oh, nice. Lambo. We're going to do both. We're going to do 2 cold starts today. To be fair, the car's quite warm. Because the car's warm, that's not bad. Is that loud? Wow, killed Sai. All right, smoky in there. Right, let's quickly head back to the wrap station. We'll do the cold start on that, and then we're going to do questions. So, guys, think of any questions you want to ask me or any of the staff. Right, let's quickly check back. If you don't remember, we used to have a thing called the rap job, and that's where Naomi came from. Or Love Island, as I call it, because she came here, she got herself a husband and then left. So it's not bad, is it? Yeah, she's done well. So the rap job's a real cool series. Check that out. If you click here, you can see that video. You can see that series. Right, talk to me. Let's go first here. Mark, what's the levels of this? And just be honest and ruthless, yeah? He's too nice. Okay, what are you rating that out of 10?
6.
6? It's a flat piece. It's a flat. Come on, man, you are too nice. Nico, we got. Oh, hello. Hello, Shannon.
I think this one's better than that one.
That's definitely better than that one. Okay, what are you grading that out?
I think Mark give the wrong rating.
Too high. Okay, so okay, let's do that. What are you giving this one then?
Straight 2.
2. I'll be honest, that's a 2 for me. So that's a 2, that's a 5, yeah?
That's a 5.
Okay, no pressure, okay, because that's my son, as you know. So Nicholas went for the wing mirror. So we got to give him credit because he went for the hardest item to wrap, yeah? Right, Nicholas, step back, please. Step away from the wing mirror. No, that's okay. That's okay. All right, what are we saying?
I think he done all right on the sport end, but no.
I know. So what are we grading that out of? 10.
It's not finished yet, so we have to wait in.
Okay, I'm giving that a yeah, 2, 3.
2, 3.
So in order of the rap team, we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Okay, round of applause for them, guys. First, we've got to do a cold start. So it's going to get very loud. So Furry, let me take you over here. Okay, go wave at everyone, say bye. They see me rolling. Right, let's be honest. What one sounded better? The Defender. Sorry, Babs. Okay, here's a quick question while I'm waiting for the team to come in, yeah? Right, don't shout the person out. Who knows who this is? You know who this is? Who is it?
T.
T. Okay, what does he do?
He's an apprentice.
He's a junior, yeah, but he's got a side business. Who knows what his side business is?
Sneaks.
T Sneaks. Gee! You need to give him a pair of trainers, man. You need to give him a pair of trainers. Okay. Norman, how are you?
Good.
Where'd you travel down from?
Lincolnshire.
You're very, very sharp as well. I'm very impressed how you came. Who do you want to ask a question to?
To you.
Okay.
What's your least favourite car?
The old shaped G-Wagon. Okay, hated that car. Okay, good question though. Right, who's got another question?
Who's your favourite employee?
Who's my favourite employee?
Yes. Employee.
Okay. So who's the next question for? I can't answer that.
Pav.
Come forward, Pav. With the mic. Go on.
Where's your car? The range.
Well, you know what? Funny enough, we were talking about that. I would have loved to have brought it here for today, but I finished it.
To be fair, it spent that much time here, it actually belongs here.
Exactly.
You sure we don't own it now?
No, we don't. Trust me, we do not own that car anymore.
Okay, next question.
For Kian.
What's
your favourite, the Lambo or the M4?
Oh, say again? What's your favourite, the Lambo or the M4?
M4.
M4,
yeah,
why?
Just because I drive back and forth, I basically live in my car. I'm in my car more time than I'm here or anywhere else. So I just prefer it because it's more comfy, the sound system's better. It's a lot more benefits in that car. The Lambo, I don't know. It's my personal preference.
Lambo. Naomi, Nom Nom, where are you? Come forward. Girl power, yeah?
Yeah. What are you going to miss the most about working here?
Oh, good question. And don't say Mark, because you see him every day.
Yeah, Mark. Probably the people, like working with people, like having the jokes. Obviously, we work at the same time. But yeah, probably all the jokes and yeah.
I know I said last week that was Naomi's last episode, but it's actually today because she's here for the 100th episode. So today's actually her final day. So when she leaves it today, it is goodbye.
Yes.
I know. Can we have a round of applause for Naomi, please?
Thank you.
For Naomi.
All of them.
All of them, okay.
What's your favourite food from Greg's?
Sausage and bacon roll.
Apple Danish.
I don't eat Greg's.
Steak bake. Sausage and bacon roll. I'll do a sausage roll.
Sausage roll, yum yums.
Sausage and bean bake.
Vegan sausage roll.
I don't go Greg's, but sausage roll.
Okay, Mark, favourite thing from Greg's?
Steak bake. Steak bacon.
Steak bake.
Sausage roll.
Sausage roll.
And that's all of them. I really like Greg's, but steak bake.
Salve.
Salve. Oi, Sal. Oh no. I don't even know if I wanted this question. Go on then.
I'm a Chelsea fan. How the hell did you get away with that last week?
So the question was, he's a Chelsea fan, how did they get away with that last week? If you're not into football, it was a Tottenham 2-2 draw and literally Tottenham cheated their way through that. Even though I'm a gooner, come on Oba, I hope Oba comes.
We had 12 players on the pitch.
Good answer, good answer. And if you don't know about football, the 12th player was the ref.
It's for you, but it's about general.
Okay.
How's your relationship with the employees? For example, some bosses, they're like very bossy and the employees can't be free around them. But on camera, we see like you're proper, yourself with the employees. Is there like moments where they get, a little frightened or something like that?
I think it's difficult for me to answer that because obviously they work for me, and if I answer that, I have a perception the way they are with me. I'd probably let Gus answer that question.
I've worked in a lot of places. I'm older than I probably look. So I've worked in a lot of places. Yeah, worked for a lot of people, worked in big companies, small companies, startups, etc. And I think the inspiration that I get from Yian is that even though he drives a Lamborghini, he drives it to work. And one of the things I've always thought is, you ask anyone, if you bought a Lambo, where would you go? They wouldn't say work. They wouldn't say, I'm going to drive it to work every day, I'm going to go in, I'm going to work, I'm going to drive my Lambo home. You want to go somewhere where you can show off and do etc. So the fact he comes in every day, works as much as everyone else does, it kind of inspires you. So therefore, when it comes to asking things like that, he's in the trenches with you, so you don't feel as bad to say, listen, I've got to leave early or I've got to do this. And he's quite lenient, very understanding, says that the door's always open, you can go and speak to him about various things. I think everyone in there has had a little counselling session with Yian. As far as bosses go, definitely the best that I've worked for and the one I've been closest to, because you're able to be so honest and just have a relationship, and it makes coming to work easier. Even if I'm having a bad time outside of work, it's not that bad because I can speak to my boss about it. My team are there, and you know you're backed either way. So yeah, in that sense.
That's a good answer. Thank you. That was really nice. Yeah. Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. I'll pay you later. Right, so I think we're going to end T-Way.
Just want to retract my favourite thing at Greg's answer because I was put on the spot, didn't actually hear the question.
You had the whole class to think of that one.
Oh, I know what it is. Oh, I know exactly what it is.
Tottenham, Kate.
Right, and that is the end of the 100th episode of T-Way. I know we said we're finishing T-Way, however, next week there is a big announcement. Yeah, I'm not going to say any more on that. But guys, straight after this, the Yiannimize Anthem is now out and live. Guys, support the team, support Dion and Rio and Sam. Dion, I changed it after I stopped. Because their name's Dion. Yiannimize Anthem's coming out straight after this video, so check it out. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you support Dion and Rio and Sam and JME and Gus and Ray and everyone else that's worked on the track. From myself, from my staff and my team behind me, and the guys behind the camera that you're seeing right now that came down to enjoy episode 100 of T-Way. I'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.
This is the Yiannimize Anthem. No lie, you didn't know that we do this. Plus up, older or new, it's small like a mouse or big like a cruise ship. This is the Yiannimize Anthem. No lie, you didn't know that we do this. Plus up, older or new, it's small like a mouse or big like a cruise ship. Man can't talk about rapping. Big jobs and my team get cracking. Cameras out, no acting. Car comes in and my team get active. On point, we don't need no practice. They can't touch us, something like a cactus. Satin black or matte pink, so many colours and you know it's a mad thing. Lift the door after 458. Rowdy work out, now my arms them 8. 1 o'clock comes, got steak on my plate. 2 o'clock hits, got tricks on my case. Pick up the tools, put down the cake. Draw for the vinyl, draw for the blade. Start a new day, it's the Yiannimize way. Best in the game and we're here to stay. Rap it. Whip comes in, rap it. Yiannimize Anthem, rap it. Cars and bars, but you know we rap it. Whip comes in, rap it. Yiannimize Anthem, rap it. Cars and bars, but you know we rap it.